Welcome to the Mind Spark, bringing you the latest news from around the world. Breaking news. Something extraordinary is happening. The universe's rules, the very laws we thought were unbreakable, are suddenly broken. The cosmos is in turmoil, and everything we thought we knew is now in question. The standard model of cosmology, our grand map of everything from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxy clusters, has been upended. For decades, this model has guided our understanding, shaping our theories about how the universe began, evolved, and what it's made of. But now, the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye on the cosmos, has sent back images that shatter our understanding. These aren't just pretty pictures, they're cosmic revelations rewriting the story of our universe. We thought the universe started with a big bang, then expanded steadily, following reliable, predictable laws. This was the foundation of modern cosmology, a story that made sense, until now. But now, the evidence is contradicting a century of careful science. Astronomers and physicists are left scratching their heads, questioning everything they've learned. The universe's expansion isn't behaving as predicted. The rate at which galaxies move apart doesn't match our calculations, and the numbers just don't add up anymore. This isn't a minor tweak or a small error, it's a full-blown crisis, a cosmic emergency that threatens to unravel our entire understanding of reality. JWST was supposed to show us baby galaxies, tiny and just forming in the early universe. Instead, it found massive, mature galaxies, fully grown giants where only infants should exist, defying all expectations. It's like walking into a nursery expecting to see newborns, but instead, you find adults already living there. The universe seems to have skipped its childhood entirely. These impossible galaxies mean the universe grew up much faster than we thought possible. The timeline we trusted is now in pieces, and the cosmic clock may be ticking differently than we ever imagined. The age of the universe, the nature of dark matter and dark energy, even the fabric of space-time itself, everything is up for debate. The very building blocks of our reality are now uncertain, and the questions are multiplying. Our old life raft, the standard model, is sinking fast, battered by waves of new data. The theories that once kept us afloat are now full of holes, and we're struggling to stay above water. We're explorers with a broken compass, adrift in a universe that no longer follows the maps we've drawn. The stars themselves seem to have rearranged, leaving us lost in the cosmic wilderness. The universe is not what we thought, and our journey to understand it has just been reset. We're starting over, forced to redraw our star charts and rethink every assumption. The rules have changed, and we're back at square one. The equations that once explained everything are now blank, waiting for new answers. The cosmic mystery has never been deeper. The universe is more enigmatic, more unpredictable, and more awe-inspiring than we ever dreamed. And our quest to solve its secrets has only just begun. Imagine for a moment the entire observable universe, every star, every galaxy, every swirling cloud of cosmic dust, suddenly transformed into a vast and mysterious crime scene. That's right. The universe itself is now under investigation, cordoned off with cosmic caution tape as if something fundamental has gone terribly wrong. Our most cherished scientific theories about how the universe began and how it has evolved over billions of years are now the victims of this cosmic mystery. For nearly a century, we've trusted a simple, elegant story. The universe began with the Big Bang, expanded and cooled, and gravity slowly sculpted stars and galaxies from the primordial chaos. But now, the James Webb Space Telescope has entered the scene like a surprise witness, bringing with it evidence that challenges everything we thought we knew. This remarkable telescope has peered deeper into space and further back in time than ever before, and what it's found is astonishing. Massive, ancient galaxies that shouldn't exist so soon after the Big Bang. Even more shocking, it's uncovered supermassive black holes lurking in these early galaxies. Black holes so enormous, so soon, that their very existence defies our current understanding. These discoveries suggest that either black holes grew at impossible speeds by some unknown process, or they were somehow born already massive. Ideas that simply don't fit within the boundaries of our established models. If the universe was already producing such enormous galaxies and black holes so early, it forces us to question whether the story told by the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, still makes sense. If our timeline for when galaxies formed is off, then our calculations for the age of the universe and the sequence of cosmic events might be fundamentally flawed as well. And if black holes can form in ways we can't explain, it means our understanding of gravity, matter, and the very laws that govern the cosmos is incomplete, perhaps even deeply mistaken. The entire chain of cosmic events, from the birth of the first atoms to the formation of galaxies and black holes, is now in question. Each discovery is like a domino falling, threatening to topple everything we thought we knew. We're not just missing a few pages from the universe's story, we might be reading from the wrong book entirely, with chapters that need to be rewritten or replaced. The universe, it turns out, is far more mysterious, complex, and enigmatic than we ever dared to imagine. Every answer leads to new questions, and every discovery deepens the cosmic puzzle. The cosmic plot twist is here, and it's rewriting everything we thought we understood about our place in the universe. The investigation has only just begun. At the heart of this drama are two legendary telescopes, Hubble and James Webb. Hubble gave us the mature universe in visible and ultraviolet light, building our standard model. Webb, launched in 2021, sees in infrared, peering back to the universe's dawn. The plan Hubble would map the local universe, Webb the early universe, and together they'd complete the cosmic story. Instead, their data clashed. Hubble's measurements of the modern universe suggest one expansion rate. Webb's view of the early universe, combined with other data, suggests a slower rate. Both are precise, but they disagree, a crack in the foundation of cosmology. The universe is telling us two different stories. This contradiction is called the Hubble Tension, the biggest problem in cosmology. Hubble's data says the universe is expanding at 73 kilometers per megaparsec. Early universe data from Planck and now Webb says it's 67 kilometers per megaparsec. The gap isn't closing, it's widening. This isn't a fluke, it's a 5 sigma problem, meaning our understanding is fundamentally wrong. The Hubble tension suggests the universe's expansion rate changed in a way our theories can't explain. It's as if the universe switched rules mid-game. If the laws of physics aren't constant, our entire approach to cosmology is flawed. We're facing the collapse of a century of progress. The foundation of modern physics is shaking. The universe may not play by the rules we thought. We're in uncharted territory. In this crisis, scientists are speaking out. Adam Rees, Nobel laureate, insists the Hubble tension is real and significant. He says, "We're measuring something fundamentally different." The community agrees this is no longer a fringe debate. JWST was supposed to resolve the tension, but instead it deepened the mystery. The universe is defying our expectations. Enter Rajendra Gupta, who proposes the universe is not 13.8, but 26.7 billion years old. His model allows time for those massive early galaxies and black holes to form. He suggests the constants of nature may have changed over time. Doubling the universe's age would force a complete rewrite of cosmology. Radical ideas are now on the table. The old rules are broken, and scientists are scrambling for new ones. With the standard model failing to explain some of the universe's most puzzling mysteries, scientists are now venturing into territory that was once considered speculative or even outlandish. The boundaries of mainstream physics are being pushed as researchers revisit and reimagine ideas that were previously on the fringes of scientific thought. The so-called Hubble tension, the mismatch in measurements of the universe's expansion rate, could force us to rethink the very foundations of cosmology. It might even mean abandoning the concepts of dark matter and dark energy, those mysterious substances that were invented to patch holes in our existing theories, but have never been directly observed. What if these invisible entities don't exist at all, and the strange effects we observe in the cosmos are actually symptoms of deeper, undiscovered laws of nature? Perhaps the universe is governed by principles we have yet to imagine. Take Gupta's model, for example. It proposes that if the universe is much older than we thought, and if the laws of physics themselves have evolved over time, then the need for dark energy might simply disappear. This would radically change our understanding of cosmic history and the forces shaping it. This crisis in cosmology is more than a problem, it's an opportunity. It opens the door to even wilder ideas. What if our universe is just one bubble in a vast multiverse, with countless other universes existing alongside ours, each with its own unique laws and histories? Maybe the strange behaviors and anomalies we see are caused by forces leaking in from outside our own space-time, hints of a reality that extends far beyond what we can currently perceive or measure. We might be witnessing the subtle influence of a much larger reality, one that dwarfs our own universe and challenges everything we thought we knew about existence. The rules that govern our universe may not be self-contained or absolute. They could be just a local chapter in a much grander cosmic narrative, with boundaries that are constantly shifting and evolving. The cosmic storybook is being rewritten before our eyes, And perhaps it's only one volume in a vast, unknown library of realities, each with its own story, waiting to be discovered. As we peer deeper into the cosmos, we're beginning to glimpse a reality far bigger, stranger, and more awe-inspiring than we ever imagined. The adventure of discovery has only just begun. Official agencies like NASA and ESA are cautious, presenting data and calling for more research. Behind the scenes, scientists are racing to explain the chaos. Every scientific revolution began with observations that didn't fit the model. We're living through one now. The silence from agencies is the calm before a scientific storm. Our cosmic story is a cultural anchor. If it changes, so does our sense of place. A universe twice as old or influenced by other dimensions would reshape our reality. The tidy narrative is gone, replaced by thrilling mystery. The biggest questions are still ahead. The crisis is pushing scientists to rethink time itself. What if time flowed differently in the early universe, allowing rapid galaxy formation? Some propose the universe underwent a phase transition, changing its fundamental laws. The Hubble Tension could be the result of the universe switching rules. We may live in a cosmos where the laws aren't permanent. This is a new kind of physics, dynamic, evolving, and unpredictable. The James Webb Telescope shattered our certainties and handed us deeper questions. We're not at the end, but at a new beginning. The universe is more complex and mysterious than ever. The great cosmic adventure has just begun.